Replacing a door is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your home. In Pompano Beach, where heat, humidity, and coastal conditions play a major role in home performance, professional door installation ensures your new door delivers comfort, security, and durability. If you're preparing for a door installation, knowing what to expect can help you feel confident and stress-free throughout the process. An initial evaluation of your home and entryway. A professional door installation begins with a detailed assessment of your existing door and entryway. Installers examine the condition of the frame, surrounding walls, and threshold to identify any issues that could affect performance. In Pompano Beach homes, this step is especially important because moisture and salt air can cause hidden damage. Addressing these concerns early helps ensure the new door fits properly and performs well long-term. Precise measurements for a proper fit. Accurate measurements are critical to a successful installation. Professionals take precise measurements of the door opening to ensure the new door fits securely and seals correctly. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this step helps prevent air leaks, water intrusion, and operational problems that can occur with improperly sized doors. Removal of the old door. Once measurements are confirmed and preparations are complete, the old door is carefully removed. This includes taking out the door slab, frame, and any worn or damaged components. Professional installers work carefully to avoid damage to surrounding walls or flooring. In Pompano Beach homes, where materials may already be affected by humidity, this careful removal helps preserve the integrity of the entryway. Preparing the opening for installation. Before installing the new door, the opening is inspected and prepared. This may involve reinforcing the frame, addressing minor structural issues, or adjusting the threshold for proper drainage. In coastal environments like Pompano Beach, proper preparation is essential for protecting against moisture and ensuring the door seals tightly against the elements. Installing the new door and frame. The new door and frame are then positioned and secured. Installers ensure the door is level, aligned correctly, and opens and closes smoothly. Professional installation ensures the door sits flush within the frame, which is especially important in Pompano Beach homes where strong winds and rain can challenge poorly installed doors. Sealing and weatherproofing. One of the most critical steps is sealing and weatherproofing the door. High-quality sealants, weather stripping, and flashing are applied to prevent air and water infiltration. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this step helps keep hot, humid air outside while protecting the home from rain and moisture intrusion. Hardware installation and final adjustments. Locks, handles, hinges, and other hardware are installed and tested. Installers make final adjustments to ensure the door operates smoothly and locks securely. In Pompano Beach, secure hardware and proper alignment contribute to both safety and long-term performance. Cleanup and inspection. After installation, professionals clean the work area and remove debris. A final inspection ensures everything functions correctly and meets quality standards. Homeowners are typically walked through the completed installation, with installers explaining proper operation and maintenance tips. Benefits of professional installation. In Pompano Beach, professional door installation provides peace of mind. Proper fit, sealing, and alignment help protect against coastal weather, improve indoor comfort, and enhance security. For Pompano Beach homeowners, professional installation ensures the door performs as intended and holds up against local climate conditions. A smooth and stress-free upgrade. Knowing what to expect during a professional door installation makes the process easier and more predictable. From careful preparation to precise installation and sealing, professionals handle every detail. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, professional door installation delivers lasting performance, comfort, and confidence, making it a smart investment in your home's future.